Hi, I'm Lauren from LSP Actions. Beautiful image up on my screen right now from Sarah at Sarah Bartleet Photography. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just adoring these Christmas minis right now. And we're going to just demonstrate the LSP Hallmark presets for Evoto. These are designed so you can edit your Christmas minis in just a click or two and synchronize the entire gallery. Bish, bash, bosh, get it done. So I'm just going to crop this in just a touch, just to take that little bit of background out. Saves us fixing it. There's plenty of room to crop in here. Sarah has left that deliberately, I believe. So there we go. If you've got background to crop, it's always best to leave a little bit of space to do so. So let's dive in. You are going to want to fix your own white balance and exposure here on the color adjustments panel under basic. So just give that a little tweak if you need to. If your images are this beautiful out of camera, you're not going to need to do that. But bear in mind the presets, leave that alone for you to do. Now we're in the all-in-one section. I do recommend starting here to choose your base, the best base for your image. So let's just go through and have a little look what they do. There's Balancer. Next up, we've got Mini Magic. I like doing these because it's kind of my first time really editing with specific images as well. And I like sharing it with you. I know some people might do very polished videos, but I believe that doesn't always give you a very realistic look at, actually seeing somebody work with these. So there's our before and after. I've stopped on cookies. I think that is a really nice edit. Really, really beautiful. And that's all we need to do. I don't think we need to actually change anything. And you can see this has handled the skin as well. But if you wanted to, you can go down to the image base sections. These add a different vibe over your image if you wanted to go in and fine tune those. Skin retouch, we can change this to gentle, before and after, complete. Painterly is a very heavy skin edit if you're making those real fine art images and you want that, that complete fine art edit. So that's just before and after. And all you can do is literally hold down Shift and you can sync these to other images in your gallery. Just by holding Shift and hitting the synchronize button, so Shift and click the other images, whether it's 1 or 2 or 500, just click them and it's going to synchronize those same settings across. So it's doing so here. Different setup, before and after. You can see it's now synchronized and it will do that for all of the images. So I'm just going to crop Sarah's image in here a little bit. Beautiful, beautiful, and hit OK. And we do have a little bit of side left. I'm just going to use the healing tool. It looks like a little band-aid at the top there. And what that's going to do is allow us, a bit like Photoshop, to paint over the areas we want to heal. I recommend first, it will paint on in red, is covering the entire area you want to fill in. And if it doesn't quite do it, keep going. And hopefully the areas to fix will get smaller and smaller. Or you could take this into Photoshop and use Photoshop healing tools. You could use my LSP Select and Fix in Photoshop. You could use Photoshop's own Gen Fill. You can use whatever you'd like to use. But I find in Evoto, getting the bulk of your editing done makes it so quick and easy. And that's the point of mini shoots. You shouldn't be spending hours editing them. So there we have before and after. Before and after synchronizing and fixing, and they're good to go. Thank you so much, Sarah, for sending these gorgeous, gorgeous images in. I'm getting so much inspiration. I want to do all the Christmas minis. Absolutely beautiful. And you can grab the Evoto Hallmark presets over on the LSP Actions website, lsp-actions.com, and you can see all the other video tutorials and the image editing advice on there. I'm Lauren. Thanks for watching.